What's going on? Welcome back to Coffee and Blades. Today we did a little sharpening on the Demco 20.5. I used my 1200 grit stone, then my 3000, and then my ceramic, and then I did some stropping with 6 micron. Now watch this guy. I wish I had filmed or videoed something beforehand, but good Lord, she is sharp. Very, very, very sharp. Jeez. I mean, this thing is just cutting like butter. Double up. So, no problems whatsoever. I'm really, really loving this knife, by the way. I think it's about time to oil it up. I've been carrying it for 2 weeks now. She's a little sticky. Been cutting everything. Just a little blade maintenance. And now, gotta get to the oil. Catch you later.